Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here as you see you will find language settings, and that's it as you see. And now you can manage your language settings. You can choose any language here, and that's how to find language settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.